Unstressed content words. The general rule for sentence stress is that we should stress content words and de-emphasize function words in a sentence. However, there are many exceptions to the general sentence stress rule. That is, content words can be unstressed and function words can be stressed. The question of which word in a sentence is stressed ultimately depends on the intended meaning of the speaker. This is why, in principle, any word in a sentence can be stressed. Let's first examine when content words are not stressed. Content words are stressed because they literally have content, providing new information. So when content words no longer provide new information, that is, when they are introduced earlier, they are not stressed. In other words, when content words appear for the first time, they sound strong with slow tempo, but when they are repeated, they are spoken quietly and quickly. They will usually sound different from their first introduction in the speech. Since repeated content words are unstressed, stress moves to some other content word. For example, how many books? 2 books.
How many books? 2 books.
I know a woman who constantly complains. I try to avoid that woman.
I know a woman who constantly complains. I try to avoid that woman.
If your feet and hands are warm, your whole body will be warm.
If your feet and hands are warm, your whole body will be warm.
What's your name? Jim. What's your name?
What's your name? Jim. What's
How are
your
you?
name?
I'm fine. How are you?
How are you? I'm fine. How are you?
Book, woman, warm, name, and are repeated. So in their second occurrences, they are not stressed. Also, in the last 2 examples, the whole sentence, what's your name, and how are you, are repeated, but stress moves to a different word to mean different ideas. In the following examples, an adjective and a verb are repeated. Are you happy? I am very happy.
Are you happy? I'm very happy.
I would like to talk with you, but I can't talk now.
I'd like to talk with you, but I can't talk now.
Here, happy and talk are repeated, and so, on their second occurrence, stress shifts to a new content word. In speech, stressed words will keep shifting as the speaker wants to draw attention to the information she thinks is new or important. Consider the following dialogue where the stressed words are in bold. Have you seen my book? Which book? My philosophy book. No, I haven't seen it.
Have you seen my book? Which book? My philosophy book. No, I haven't seen it.
Can you read this article written in French?
Can you read this article written in French?
I can't read French.
I can't read French.
But I thought you knew French.
But I thought you knew French.
No, I know German.
No, I know German.
The repeated content word, which is unstressed, does not need to be exactly the same word. A synonym or a type word classifying the content word is sufficient for the word to be viewed as a repeated word. So these words, even though they appear for the first time, do not receive stress. For example, has John read the Washington Post this morning? No, John doesn't read newspapers.
Has John read the Washington Post this morning? No, John doesn't read newspapers.
Newspapers is not stressed since the Washington Post is a particular newspaper. In the following, language is not stressed since French is a particular language. I speak French. Can you speak any other language?
I speak French. Can you speak any other language?